I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2003 Ford Ranger two-wheel drive 4.0 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil filter, and grease the front suspension. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job: a funnel, universal oil pan drain plug wrench, 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, cup type oil filter wrench, pneumatic grease gun, and my oil pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job: engine oil filter, 6 quarts of 530 conventional oil, and a can of BgMOA engine oil treatment. So first I'm going to be opening up my engine oil filler cap, putting in my funnel. Now we're going to go underneath the vehicle. Okay, so I'm going to be removing this oil pan drain plug. It's in the back of this frame right here. So I'm going to be putting back my drain plug. Be removing my oil filter. It's right here. I'm going to be using a cup type oil filter wrench and unscrewing it. So I'm going to be putting my filter on, but first I'm going to be putting some oil on my seal. That way when you spin it on, it slides on. So I'm going to be wiping up the block side. Make sure there's no rubber seal stuck onto the block side. If there is, remove it. So I'm going to be screwing on the filter. So what you need to do is look at these joints, like the lower ball joint, the tie rods, the upper ball joint, to see if there's a grease fitting. So on this one, the lower ball joint has a grease fitting, so we're going to be pumping some grease in there. Okay, so with my grease gun, I'll be pumping some grease. Okay, 3 pumps is good enough. So there's another grease fitting on the upper joint. Okay, 3 pumps, that's good. Okay, so I'm going to be adding in my engine oil. So I'm going to be putting in a can of MOA. I'm going to be removing my funnel. So I'm going to be putting on my oil filler cap. Now we're going to lower the vehicle, start it up, turn them off, and check the oil level. Okay, so I'm going to be starting up the engine. Let it run for a little while. Okay, that's good enough. Now you can turn it off. So I'm going to be checking the oil level. The dipstick is on the driver's side. Just pull it out, wipe it down, put it back in, pull it out, and then check the level. Perfect, right up to the full mark. that's how you change engine oil, oil filter, and grease suspension. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.